Hey guys, Robert777. This video is going to be on how to make a Lego custom Darth Maul lightsaber. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Enjoy! So first up, you're going to need 2 lightsaber hilts to complete this lightsaber tutorial. So you have to cut off two lightsabers and then use some super glue and stick it together, and use the tops of the lightsaber hilts, and when you stick them together it looks like that, and that's all you need to do. It's probably the most simple build of a lightsaber hilt ever. I probably should have done this video first, but I did the other one, Obi-Wan. But yeah, that's about it, guys, and I guess let's wrap this video up, guys. So hope you guys like it, and let's get on to the ending. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you want to see any other kind of hilt customs. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys for watching.